What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to get more offers on Amazon Flex. Step 1. Optimize your availability. Set peak hours. Use the Amazon Flex app to choose times when demand is highest, like mornings, evenings, and weekends. Be flexible. Stay ready for last-minute blocks, as these often appear when demand suddenly rises. Step 2. Boost app responsiveness. Keep it open. Always keep the Amazon Flex app active in the foreground and your phone unlocked. Turn on notifications. Enable all app alerts so you don't miss new delivery opportunities. And make sure you have a stable connection. Use strong Wi-Fi or a reliable mobile data connection for quicker updates. Step 3. Maintain a top delivery rating. Always be on time. Consistently deliver within the promised window to maintain a high score. Follow instructions. Carefully follow delivery and customer notes to avoid mistakes. And finally, stay professional. Be polite and clear when communicating with customers or support. Step 4. Watch hot zones. Find busy areas. Identify zones or stations with higher delivery volumes. Stay nearby, since being close to these active hubs increase your chances of getting offers. And finally, Step 5. Stay compliant and informed. Check policies. Regularly read Amazon Flex's latest guidelines and terms. Respect privacy. Never share customer details, addresses, or personal information. Lastly, avoid shortcuts. Don't use bots or unauthorized software. These can get your account suspended or lead to legal issues. For our closing tips, always stay updated. Amazon Flex policies and offer patterns can change, so keep learning. And a quick disclaimer, this guide is based on personal experiences and online testimonies. It is not affiliated with Amazon. Always follow official guidelines and local laws. The tips shared here are safe, legal, and comply with Amazon's terms of service, privacy laws, and YouTube's community guidelines. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.